Hey, it's Mike from AutomationEngage.com, and today I want to talk about what is the best way to integrate with your email service provider, by a list, by a form, or by a tag. As someone who has audited many different ActiveCampaign accounts, I find the list integration is the least desirable because what ends up happening is people end up spewing out tons of different lists in their account, and they're not really necessary if you have a good tag structure in place. So basically, you'll have things like lead pages that integrate on a list level. You may have other third-party tools that the only way they integrate with your software is by list. You end up having to create all these lists. They're going to eventually proliferate and it's going to get messy. So I would much rather have either a tag or a form. With a tag, what you can do is the tag is applied and that tag can trigger an automation. It adds them to this list and it does whatever else you need that automation to do. That's a nice, neat way. You're not creating multiple lists. Those are easier to work with. And you can also use those as ways to segment your database. You can send an email out to people who have just completed a certain form or exclude those people who have completed a certain form. And the same with the tag. If they have a certain tag, then you can exclude them or target them for email. That is a cleaner way just to manage your accounts inside your ESP instead of doing the list integrations. It's not the end of the world if you have a favorite piece of software that only integrates with a list. It just means that you might have to build an automation that will actually move people automatically off that list, tag them appropriately. So that way you just don't have proliferation of people in that list, and you can keep that list down to near zero. Anyway, that's my recommendations, that you integrate either at a tag level or a form level. Avoid the list level because that'll just clutter up your account after a while. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in my next video.